Hey IG Garage family, ever been driving along smoothly and bam, that check engine light comes on? You pull out your OBD2 scanner and you're hit with code P0031. It sounds complex, but don't worry, this code is all about your oxygen sensor's heater circuit, and I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to break down what P0031 means, show you where the problem is hiding, and how you can fix it to keep your engine running smoothly. Let's jump right in. So what exactly does P0031 mean? This code stands for ho2s heater control circuit low, bank1 sensor 1. In simple terms, it means there's a problem with the heater element in your upstream oxygen sensor. The heater helps the oxygen sensor reach operating temperature faster, which is crucial for your engine's fuel management system. Now, where do you find this sensor? The bank1 sensor 1 oxygen sensor is usually located in the exhaust manifold, upstream of the catalytic converter. It's the first sensor that monitors your exhaust gases and helps regulate the air-fuel mixture in your engine. This is your upstream oxygen sensor right here. The heater circuit inside this sensor ensures it gets hot quickly, so it can start sending accurate data to your engine control module, or ECM. If the heater is faulty, that's when you'll get the P0031 code. If you're seeing the P0031 code, you might notice rough idling, poor fuel efficiency, or even a failed emissions test. The heater circuit problem could be caused by a blown fuse, faulty wiring, or a bad oxygen sensor itself. To fix this, start by checking the wiring and fuses related to the oxygen sensor. If everything looks good, test the sensor's heater circuit with a multimeter to see if it's working. If the sensor is bad, you'll need to replace it. Once you've replaced the sensor, clear the P0031 code using your OBD2 scanner and take your car for a test drive to ensure the problem is solved. And that's how you handle a P0031 code, folks. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. And before you go, check out these two videos to learn more about engine trouble codes. First, check out our video on P0238, which covers turbocharger boost sensor issues, and don't miss our P0480 video, where we dive into fan control circuit problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.